Okay, hi everybody. This is just a little quick video to show you how to copy and paste using a Chromebook because it can be a little bit tricky. My best suggestion to you, honestly, is to go out to the dollar store and buy a wireless mouse. That would be the easiest way to do it. But if some of you, or just a mouse in general, you could plug it right into your computer and use the right click button and highlight using this. But if you don't have a mouse and you have your Chromebook at home, this is the best way to be able to teach you how to do some copying and pasting. So what I want to show you first is kind of the keyboard here. So this keyboard area, we have the control key, CTRL, and that controls everything on the computer. We have ALT, that's the Alt key, and we might need that once in a while. We have the letter C to copy. We have the letter V to paste, and then the letter A, which is going to help us copy all of the information on the page. This little rectangle area here, that is called our trackpad. And our trackpad sometimes needs us to use one finger, two fingers, and sometimes even two hands. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to copy and paste. So you can see I have a document open here and it says this is a video to show you how to copy and paste. What I've done is I've moved my mouse cursor by moving my finger on the trackpad, and I clicked right here, and you can see this blinking little cursor here. That tells me that's where the beginning of my typing could be. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this whole page, and I'm going to show you how to put it into a brand new document. So if I hold on to the control key in the corner of our keyboard there, and I don't even need the trackpad really after this, I can press the A key. And the A key is going to highlight all of my text for me. And you can see because everything is kind of turned a shade of blue. So once it's all shaded blue, that's telling the computer we want this information, but we haven't given the computer any command yet. So the next command that we're going to give the computer by holding control is we're going to say we want this to be copied. So as long as everything is highlighted in blue that I want to be copied, I can hold the control key just like I'm doing. You can press it anytime you want. Nothing will happen. And then I need to be able to use my other hand to click on the letter C. So I'm going to go ahead and click the letter C. That means that my computer has now copied all of this information. It hasn't gone anywhere yet though. So the next step is I'm just going to open up a new blank document, and you can see here there's nothing written on this page yet. So I'm just going to click my cursor at the beginning of the page, and it's just a small little font here. You can't really see it. And then if I hold on to that control key again, and again, it doesn't matter how many times I press it, the control key is just going to be held down. And then I'm going to use my other finger to click on the letter V. So I'm just going to click the letter V, and you'll see everything I just copied, and I'm going to use my arrow buttons here to move up on the page, everything got copy and pasted. So that's the way to copy the whole page of information and put it into your own document. There's some other information that you might want to use because sometimes we don't want all of the information on the page. Sometimes we just want a little bit of the information on the page. So I'm going to move my cursor to the beginning of this word. And it's already blinking here. So I'm going to click just to make sure. Yep, it's blinking there. This is exactly where my cursor is starting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down on my keyboard with one finger. And nothing's really happened yet, but I'm just clicking down on the trackpad. So my finger is pressing down on the trackpad, and then my other finger is going to come along on the trackpad. And as I move it along the words and the letters, you're going to see they highlight in the color blue. So the more that I move my finger, the more that I'm highlighting it blue. If I made a mistake, as long as this finger is still on the keyboard, I can actually move it backwards. So this takes a lot of practice, but this is something that you will definitely be able to do. So now that everything is highlighted blue, we're going to do that same step, hold Control, press C, and now I've copied just that information. So I'm going to move down on my page to show you here. I'm just going to start a new page, and I'm going to press Control and V, and everything has been copy and pasted that I just copied. Another way for us to do copy and paste, and I can do this with a picture even, if I click on the picture, I can see there's a blue box highlighting that picture. If I go ahead and press this Alt key, not the Control key, but the Alt key, A-L-T. So I press on that key, and now I click on my picture. I get all of these options that come up here on the side. So these options, and I can let go of everything now, I can see cut, copy, paste. Okay, so I'm going to use copy. So I've clicked on copy, and now I'm going to go back down to the other area here, and I'm going to press enter. And now I'm going to click on my paste button, Control V. So I hold down Control, tap V, and there we go. There we have it.